Okay, so hi Vijay. Hello everybody.
Welcome, welcome to this call, Energy Pull for your business and wealth.
Yeah, so Vijay has created
Let's
this thing.
start with this.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's start.
let's start. So Vijay, what is the series that you are doing? What is Spectra Mind and what is this whole webinar all about?
These webinars are just to bring like how to use access tools in day-to-day activities,
Hey,
like how we can, uh, how all the people are using access tools, how these, there are a lot of facilitators giving their insights how to use these tools, and it's creating the experience for them, like coming out with some judgments, emotions, feelings, and then using these access tools and being lively.
okay. I think that's amazing and great initiative, Vijay. Really want to appreciate what you're creating here, and thank you for inviting me on this, on this Spectra Mind webinar series. I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to see you all. So when I start, so as we start this energy pool series for money and business, firstly I would like to hear from each one of you guys. Uh, what would you like to get out of this series? What is it that made you attend or sign up for this particular series? What was that? I would like to hear that. So can we start? So I'll go in the order on which you appear on my screen. Can we start with Sadhana, then Vijay himself, then Rajiv, then Rajeshwari, then Harmeet, then Nagendra, then Chandni. Yes, Sadhana.
Good. Yeah, good evening, sir. I'm Sadhana Verma. I'm from Kolkata, and I'm a tarot reader practicing for the last 15 years. So I did access. I've done only the basic. I'm yet to go to the foundation level. But still now, a lot of classes I have been able to do through the basic also, and I want to increase, get my clients, the boys and girls and the men, the young women who come to me, to their own awareness. So I believe everything is energy. Money is an energy, business is energy. Even the person who comes to me, that is also a ball of energy. I'm myself an energy. So I want more energy pulls. So that
Okay.
was the energy, I think, generated by Vijay. The very title, the energy pull for business and money. It's not just money, money and business, business. It pulled me,
Okay.
and instantly I decided. The moment I saw his message, I said yes, I'm going with it.
Okay. Awesome. So we are happy to have you here, Sadhana, who's a tarot reader
Thank
since the
you.
last 15 years. Would like to have more clients show up to her classes and sessions. And that's why she's here. She's done a bars class. You know bars class, right?
Yes, I have. Today
Okay.
in the afternoon, I ran the bars for a girl. I'll be doing it for the next 4 days, 5 days for her.
Awesome. Okay. Welcome, Sadhana. Happy to have you here. Yes, Vijay, can we hear from you? What excites you about energy pools?
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Vijay. I want to hear from you also. What does what do you so you gave me this, I think you gave me this topic or I gave you this, I don't remember. But I want to know from you also what do you like about energy pools and what brings you here?
It's basically um, pulling the energy and to our advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Like say, if you want to have more business, or if you want to have more clients, or if you want to have some discussions happening in the business, or if any marketing person is coming to you want to sell something, right? It can be used everywhere. It can be in day-to-day activities. We can do these energy pulls. Not only in business, it can be while taking business decisions also, or we're communicating with other people also. We can do these energy pulls, pushing and pulling of these energies.
Absolutely. Absolutely. True that. Okay, who's next? Who would
And
like to share next?
basically
Yeah.
what, yeah, um, like it's all these webinars are good. Like we are creating experience for all of the people. Right? We are not just giving the information to the people. We are just giving experience, like how to use these.
Yeah, it's definitely an experiential tool. Correct.
Yes.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you for creating this and thank you for saying all of that. Next, can we hear from Rajiv? Rajiv, okay, what brings you here and
Yeah.
what pulled you to the call?
Hi, Doctor.
Hi.
As your pop-up came of energy classes of and money and money, so of course it attracted like it was about the magnetic effect आ गया उसमें, and you have energy pulls of money you have been gifted us a lot. First the thought came यार वही होगा, but I called you and I thought why am I doubting myself and you. There are so many contributions I can receive. Then pop up क्या चाहिए और तो I am here for choosing more and more contribution, infinite contribution.
Okay.
Not thinking anything, total awareness. Energy pools have helped me, actually contributed me, not only in money, but it keeps my energy always on a higher mode,
Superb.
always on an expanded mode that contribute more, not only in money, but also in everything I desire.
Lovely.
Even if you are high on energy, when you're high on frequency, or when your energy expanded, you desire anything, you get like anything. You get in a minutes. So continuing that state of mind, I have come here like I can gain and receive more and more that I can be 24 hours in the expanded energy.
Lovely. Superb.
Today's I want to share an experience of today. I did an energy pull at 12:15 in the afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
It was 7 minutes of the energy pull. 12:22 the energy pull got over the one of your audio, and 12:23 I got a 15,000 rupees in my account from a customer.
Wow.
I just stopped your audio.
That?
I just stopped the audio, and the experiment there was pop-up of message. You have credited a amount in your account.
Wow. I think that is amazing. I have a collection of energy pulls on my SoundCloud playlist, which I will be sharing to Vijay and I will be sharing with all of you guys. There's plenty of energy pulls. There's energy pulls.
I'm always ready for that.
Connecting with planet Earth. I will be sending them to you all. All of them are for free and you can listen to all of them. Every day people listen to one or two of those energy pulls. They, like how Rajiv shared, they've had amazing results, had a lot of money show up,
it keeps you high.
Yeah. And this morning somebody shared, we had one athlete, marathon runner. She said, Sanjeev, I'm using these energy pulls and it's helping me to run more. It's helping my body to run more. So you can be creative with these energy pulls, and let's find out where we would like to get to today and how you guys would like to play.
Very excited for today. Very excited.
Yay! Awesome. Thank you, Rajiv, for sharing that. Next, can we hear from Rajeshwari? Rajeshwari, hi. Hello. What brings you here?
Can I share one more thing if you don't mind?
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
There was one more class at 8 to 9. It was on something about contributing to Earth. But I asked my body. You don't ask your body what your body requires. So I chose this.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome on board. Thank you for asking your body. That's another tool that Rajiv has reminded us. You know, you can ask your body. Your body has a great deal of intelligence. And when you ask your body, hey body, what would you like? Or hey body, what awareness can you give me here? The body will teach you things. You will be surprised. Yeah, Rajeshwari.
Hi everyone. Hi Sanjeev. I have been into energy healing for quite some time now, about 3 years. I've learned my access bars and I've seen a few of the energy pools and I felt good. And also I would like to thank Vijay for all his free series of webinars, which I felt were very contributive and very good in terms of energy healing access consciousness as such. And I was very curious to know how we can improvise on energy pulse. I previously attended your free series on, I don't remember the topic, but I felt that you could help me to learn more on energy pulse. So
Glad.
thank
I'm
you.
glad. Thank you for choosing. Thank you for being here. I'm looking forward to our what more we can explore with regards to energy pools. I have some stuff to share with you all. But before that, I want to welcome Chandni. Chandni is here. Hi, Chandni. Welcome. What brings you here? Just a brief introduction.
Well, honestly, I'm here because of Sanjeev, because I've done a course with him and I've, discovered so much about myself. And and I've been doing the energy pulls that he's taught me. And it's just, I feel it's just opening up stuff that was stuck. There's lots more to do, but I feel I'm on the right path. So
Superb.
here I am.
Good to see you. Also, you're looking very, very fresh and more dynamic. You look different today.
It's the
Hi,
energy
Chandni.
pulls.
Amazing.
Hi,
Amazing.
Chandni.
Hi.
So we have Nagendra with us. Yes, Nagendra, can we hear from you? What brings you to the Energy Pool series?
Yeah, so it's completely situational for me because I work in IT. My passion is to come into the business. I started business 1.5 years back. So due to this lockdown, I'm facing the first time challenge like how to overcome all these things. So how to run the business. So immediately I saw this post and then I joined.
Oh,
I thought
lovely.
it
You
will
were just
help.
asking and it showed up. That's amazing.
Correct.
Let's
Correct.
acknowledge, let's acknowledge your ask. Let's acknowledge your capacity with ask and receive. Let's also acknowledge that there have been times where you've been using this energy pulse unconsciously. It's like you think of something and it shows up, right? You
Correct.
pulled it into your space. Or you think of somebody and they call you. You pull their energy, they're calling you.
Correct.
Okay. And sometimes let us also acknowledge where you are aware when people are pushing energy at you, when some salesman or somebody says, please buy this, trying to push at you. Are you aware that they're pushing energy at you?
Yeah, I felt, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
many times.
Sometimes, okay, when you are resisting what somebody is saying, or have you ever experienced that somebody is dynamically resisting what you are saying? As
Both.
if they have a barrier, as if you are trying to shout at them, you're trying to yell at them, you're trying to tell them something, they're not receiving it, their barriers are high up. Have you ever experienced that?
Yes, yes.
Notice.
I mean, I shouted at that times to
Yeah.
break that barrier.
Yeah. So you are aware of energy push and you are aware of energy pull also. We are using it already.
Yeah,
And you are also aware of energetic barriers. Okay.
correct.
So right now, for us to be able to receive this call way more dynamically, can I request you all to lower your barriers? Just imagine that there is an energetic barrier in front of you and you are lowering it. If you want, you can even use your hands and you can just say, you do like this. You can do barriers down, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down. Slowly push it down, barriers down. Instruct it to go down, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down. And in all forms of rejections, projections, expectations, separations, judgments that you have out of what you can and cannot receive from the call, all projections, expectations, separations, rejections you may have out of me as a facilitator, out of Vijay, out of the series, can you destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, point, for call, and shorts, boys, and yours. Now just close your eyes and we're doing this expansion exercise, okay? Just ask your body, ask yourself, am I as big as this body or am I bigger than the body? And perceive yourself to the outer edges of you. Close your eyes, ask yourself, am I as big as this body or am I bigger? And just watch the energy. Now just say I occupy the whole room where I'm sitting. Now just say I expand out 100 kilometers all around myself and expand. Wherever you see, there you are. Anything and everything doesn't allow you to expand out, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, point, for call, and shorts, boys and yours. Now just say, I expand out 2000 kilometers all around. Just say it and be it. Yeah. Okay. Open your eyes. Okay, would anybody like to share? So we are yet to hear from Harmeet. So Harmeet, hi, hello, what brings you to the call, and can you share your experience when we did the
Yeah,
expansion exercise? What
yeah.
did you
Hello, everyone. Hello, doctor. So basically, the money workbook that we did together, that was the first time I came to know about energy pools, and that was very nice experience. So when I hear your voice and I'm doing it with you, I feel that expansion. So I want, basically, I want to increase that now. So that is why I'm here.
Super. I'm so happy that you are here. And yeah, so let us ask Rajeshwari. Rajeshwari, how was that? Were you able to expand like that?
Yes, and it felt really nice.
You're able to expand? Sadhana, were you able to expand like that? Okay, I think you are on mute. We are not able to hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, Sadhana.
So when you asked us to expand 2,000 kilometers, there was a barrier.
But before that?
Before that, yes, I
So
could.
before that, what can you explain what happened?
I don't know. I just felt I was growing like this, like a Hanuman. I was growing up, expand, expand,
You're
expand beyond the
expanding,
room.
no? So that is your energy body. Okay.
Yes.
All of
Yeah.
physical body, and then you have an energy body, or you have a being.
Right.
Okay. So
Yes.
who you
Yes.
are is you are a being with a body. Your body is inside your being.
Hmm.
Contrary to the popular belief, where there's a lot of
Yes.
metaphysical knowledge, where they say your soul is a tiny element which is inside your body. If you have, you can be that also. So you,
Right.
whatever is your point of view, that becomes true for you. And now, if you believe that you are a soul
Right.
trapped inside a body, that is true for you. You become a soul that is trapped inside the body. You have to contract yourself. But if you believe that I am an infinite being, you expand out.
Right.
You become bigger than the body.
Right. Right.
And wherever you see, there you are. That is a space where you can be at. Right.
Mhm.
Now, let us understand this kind of energy pools. Okay, so energy pools actually it is done in the Access Foundation class. So this is from the foundation manual of the Access, but as a certified
Okay.
facilitator, we are allowed to teach individual parts of the foundation also as separately as few classes.
Okay.
So I'm going to run you through, so I can share that right up on the energy pools to appear on the screen. Or can you make me co-host? Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so I'm sharing with you guys my the foundation manual. Okay, so this is the foundation manual. These are the topics that you learn in the foundation. You know, you learn about energy numbers, you learn about body processes, you learn about gaslighting, you learn about entities, entity clearing, you learn about distractor implants, 10 keys, comfortable distance, 5 elements of intimacy. There's a process called demolecular manifestation that you learn. And as part of the, foundation is this topic on the foundation manual called the energy flows. Okay. Let me find that. Where is that energy flows?
Okay.
I had it open ready, but now can you find this topic called energy flows? I think it's called creating energy flows.
Yeah, sir, it's there.
Which
No,
page?
it's creating financial awareness.
Oh, that was creating financial awareness, right?
Page 68.
Now we can read creating financial awareness also, but first, yeah, creating energy flows.
Yeah,
Yeah,
page
so page
33.
31, no? 31.
Oh, sorry, 31. Yeah.
Okay, let's go there. Okay, so from the foundation manual, we look at this topic of creating energy flows. Okay, so yeah, see, energy flows. Okay, so the purpose of energy flow is to get people present. Okay, how do you pull energy? You just do it. Do the energy flow daily 24/7 non-stop. You can change situations. You can change situations based on the energy you are willing to be, which means sometimes the situation is kind of depressive, or people are low or sad or whatever, and then you walk into a room from this expansive space. You invite everybody to step up into being that space. Sometimes yes, or sometimes you contract your energy and you fit into that room as the lowest common denominator of whichever person's energy is the lowest. You fit into that.
Okay.
Right? Has it happened? Has it ever happened that you walked into some room and suddenly you felt low? Right? Next time, before you walk into the room, expand yourself, pull everybody's energy, and then step into the room. Okay, that's a tip I would give. Now, you can change the situation based on the energy you are willing to be. The purpose of energy flow is to learn how to use the energy flows, experience the energy flow, and create a different result with them. Doing these energy flows is how you create a connection with people that allows you to get wherever you want or desire from anyone you desire anything from. You want to learn it, and once you learn it, you won't need to do it. You'll just be it. You become. So you practice it so much that you become the energy pool.
Right.
Okay. People will often present us with some of the following positions. Okay. So there are 4 kinds of people. Energetically, there are 4 kinds of people. Okay.
Okay.
There are category number 1. This kind of people, they are called the barriers. Okay. What do? Their attitude is, you prove it to me. Okay. So they will show up in your class, they will show up in your business space, and they will sit like this. Their arms will be crossed like this. They will be sitting like this. Means laid back, arms crossed. Body language means barrier is high, which means the barrier is up. Okay. And if somebody is argumentative, their barriers are up, they won't hear what you have to say. So what you do in such a case, when somebody is being a barrier, you pull energy. Okay. When somebody is already resisting and you push energy, what will happen?
There will be a problem. It will be a bang.
It will be a bang. Correct. What will happen? It will become like this. Okay. I have an image to show you all. See, it will become like this, like in Harry Potter, when Harry Potter and Voldemort's the wand's energy meet, this person is also pushing, this person is also pushing. What is getting created in between?
It's a blast.
Barrier or blast, whatever you call it. Right? So when somebody is resisting what you have to say, you stop talking to them and you pull their energy. Don't try to argue with them. Don't try to make them understand. Don't try to, because the barriers are high. When somebody's barriers are high, what do? You push energy at them or you pull energy? What do?
Yeah, I did an energy pull with somebody, 2 people last Sunday and Monday. And I could at least stop the allegations that they were putting on me.
Okay, exactly. So when people are coming at you with accusation, and people are coming at you with a pushy kind of energy, they're pushing anger at you, they're pushing an accusation at you. What must you do? Will you erect your barrier or will you pull? What will you do?
Pull the energy.
Must lower your
barriers. Lower my barriers.
Lower your barriers and pull.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what Gary Douglas was also. He discovered this. When salesmen would even come near his home, really to sell products, he would watch them from the window and he would pull their energy so dynamically. How do you pull? You pull from the universe through the person and through you and out into the universe.
Okay.
It's an energy flow.
Okay, like this and then from the back.
Yeah, you're not pulling the person's energy. You are pulling energy from the universe through the person, through you and out into the universe again. You get it? Right. So when somebody is getting pushy at you, what will you do?
Lower down my barriers
and
pull the energy.
Pull. Okay. And now look at this. So that is the first kind of people. The second kind of people, they are called the neutrals. The neutral kind of people, they will come to your class or they will be like your client. Okay. I think, Sadhana, a lot of disturbance from your side. So I'm muting you for a while. If you have any question, feel free to unmute yourself and ask. Okay. So there will be a lot of people around you who will be very neutral. You know, you feel, sometimes you feel like shaking them up. Have you ever felt like if somebody is just sitting like one dumb person, not moving their ass, you feel like holding them by the shoulder and shaking them up, right? So instead of wasting your time actually physically going and shaking them up, you can push energy at them, flow energy at them for them to wake up. Okay. So when neutrals, what do? They sit back and just see. So what do? You flow energy at them. How do you flow energy at them? Do you drain your energy? No. You pull energy from the universe through the back, and you flow energy from your front to them, through them, out into the universe. Okay. So all energy pulls are like this. Okay. Let me show you guys. So this is, for example, this is you, this is another person. Okay. So how are you doing the energy pulls? If you want to flow energy at them, you pull from the universe through you, through them, and out into the universe. Okay. Like this. And now if you want to pull energy from them, you pull from the universe, through them, through you, and out back into the universe. Does that make sense? So it's not the person's energy that you're pulling. You're pulling universal life force energy. So there is a universal energy that you are playing with. So we are playing with energies here. Now, can anything bad happen? Some people ask me, can black magic happen? Can their negative energy come to me when I do energy pull? No, that's not how it happens. When you are willing to be a hollow pipe, you are allowing the water to flow through you. It won't affect you. And it is the universal energy that you're pulling through the person, through your body, out into the universe. Or from the universe, through your body, flow it at them, out through them, back into the universe. So this is a complete circuit that's being established here. There is no energy blocks that will happen. There is no kind of negativity that you will hold on to. Nothing like that will happen. It is just fun, it's dynamic, and you know, it works. So is there any questions on this? Do you guys have any questions based on this?
So sometimes we feel drained. That means we are not pulling it properly.
I will tell you. Now, the next topic, the next kind of people who are the suckers. What do the suckers do? They suck in our energy to get attention. You know, sometimes after speaking to some people, you feel quite drained. Why do you feel drained? Because you feel some, you know, have you heard this term, energy vampires? Somebody is like an energy vampire, means they just suck on the energy, right? But they're naturally so. Wherever they go, they drain. So what must you do? What will you do, Nagendra? What with energy? What can you do?
Flow energy to them.
Yeah, you flow tsunami of energy at them. They are sucking, no? So you flow at them. When they're sucking, you flow. When they're pushing, you pull.
Okay.
It's like if somebody is doing bowling, you do batting. If somebody is doing batting, you do bowling.
Okay.
When you're playing cricket, like that. If somebody is doing batting and you also take a bat and you also want, you fight, no? Or somebody wants to do bowling, you also take a ball and you want to bowl, you start fighting. So complementarity of energy flows. So you be the complementary energy. If they are more of that yang, you become the yin. If they are more of the yin, you become the yang. It is complementarity of energy flows. That is how a dynamic energy flow happens. Okay. Now, okay. Does
I have one question.
Yes.
Can I ask?
Yeah.
You gave me the example of that salesperson who used to come and Gary used to send him from window. He used to do energy pull from window.
Pull. But
you, during the workshop, you explained us that the salesman come and suck his energy. So we have to energy push that.
No, it depends on what kind of salesman. If he's a very pushy salesman, you pull. See, so pushers. The next category of people are pushers, who just, they don't even let you talk. They just be talking all the time and they keep pushing at you. Sir, please buy this product. Sir, please buy this product. Buy that product. Buy that product. They are pushing at those who are pulling at you. They are suckers. They usually, salesmen are quite pushy. They are not suckers.
You explained as like कोई आ रहा है आपको परेशान कर रहा है या आपको बहुत बोल कर रहा है, तो they are sucking your energy, ना?
No, they are pushing. No, if they are talking excessively, they are pushing at you. No.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I'm थोड़ा confused between the suckers and pushers. थोड़ा सा मतलब.
Okay, I will tell you. Suckers are people who will suck you your money. They want your money. They want your time. They want your attention. They want you to talk to them all the time. They're very clingy. Have you ever experienced some people being very clingy?
अभी याद ऐसा कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
You remember when you were in college, there was one thing, some girlfriend of yours who got very possessive and who would like to follow you around, or who would feel jealous if you spoke to anybody else, and you thought, oh my God, how clingy. Right? It's not wrong. Sometimes everybody is clingy, sometimes everybody is pushy. Our energies keep fluctuating. Okay? So, what do you do when people are very pushy at you? You pull. If somebody is very angry, so here is a tool that you can use. If somebody is coming at you with a lot of anger, what can you do? Do you resist the anger? Do you fight the anger? What you can do, if somebody is coming at you with so much anger, if you pull like this, if you dynamically pull through them, their anger will just go away. They won't know what to say. This actually happened. So one of my friends, her name is Cassie, and she went to Mexico. She's from Canada, but she went to Mexico to do a class or something. She was in this very dark alley while walking, and this guy comes. He has a gun. And he comes at her for mugging. So they do this thing called mugging, where they point a gun at you and they say, "Give your bag and everything we want to snatch away. And if you resist, we'll shoot you." Is what they threaten. What she did, she energetically sensed something is off. Instead of getting panicked, so you know what happens at such time? Your barriers go up, you start fearing, panic and all that, right? Instead of all of that, she said, okay, barriers down, barriers down, barriers down. When she saw him 10 to 20 feet away, she started pulling dynamically through him, massive tons of energy through him. And this guy tripped and fell down, and she got to run away. She saved her life. So when people are getting pushy at you, when people are angry at you, when people are, you can use the energy pull. That time you pull through them. When somebody is neutral, you want your team. Suppose you have a team of people and the team is not working much. What do? They're being neutral. What do? How do you wake them up?
Energy push.
You flow at them. You push at them. You flow energy at them. Right? And if somebody is being a barrier, somebody's got their barriers up. They're going to challenge whatever you have to say. Or they're not going to receive what you have to say. They're laid back. What will you do? Pull or push?
Pull.
Can you say again?
If somebody's got the barriers up and they're not willing to hear what you have to say, what will you do?
Pull.
Energy pull.
Yeah, pull. Because pushing at them won't work, because already the barriers are high, no? If you pull through them, maybe the barriers might come down. Maybe they might be more receptive to what you have to say.
Means if they're arguing or they're not ready to receive, both are same case.
No, both are different. If they are arguing, they're pushing at you. What will you do?
Okay.
What will you do? If they're pushing at you, what will you do?
Pull. Flow.
No, you pull.
Flow.
Pull
Pull the energy.
You pull.
Okay.
It's very easy. No, there's no complication here.
They're not ready to listen. Then also we have to do energy.
No. See, look, there are two kinds of people in arguments and all that, okay? So this kind of person is going blah, 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 blah. He's speaking. This kind of person is standing like this, arms crossed, looking away. मेरे को नहीं सुनना है. What is this? Barrier.
Barrier.
This person is, what is he doing? What is he doing?
Pushing energy.
Pushing.
Yeah. So when somebody is pushing, you are here. What will you do? Will you also try to push? Will you also try to push?
Pull.
If you try to
mode.
push, what will happen? Again, barrier gets created. But instead, what must you do?
Pull.
Pull from the universe, pull through them, pull through you and out. Now, if somebody is not talking only, will you go try to convince them? Will you go behind them? Will you go try, please listen to what I'm saying. Hey, listen, we need to talk. Will you chase them? If you try to push at them, what's happening? There's a barrier there. They cannot receive. So what must you do?
Pull.
Pull. Okay? Pull from the universe, pull through them, pull through you and out. Okay? That's how you play with the energy pulse. Okay? So,
If someone is neutral, pull energy, wake them up.
you want to wake them up, flow energy at them. Okay? Neutral people, flow energy at them. So it will become clear. Okay? So see this. When somebody puts a barrier up to you, no matter what you say, they cannot receive it. The basic point of view is prove to me your point of view. Person who is neutral sits back and waits for everything to show up in their life. Okay? Type B personality, laid back personality. So you flow at them. Suckers are people who suck energy to get your attention. Pushers are people who. Here's what we do. Barriers. Pull massively from them in all directions, which means pull not only ऐसा पीछे से, pull आगे से, ऊपर से, नीचे से, side से, pull through them in all directions until they connect with you and your heart opens up. So in your heart region, you'll feel some sensation when your heart opens up. You pull energy through your body, not just to it, okay, through your body, through the whole body and your being. If you wish to control somebody dynamically, you take the person who has a barrier and you pull energy from them through every pore of your body and the being. When you get connected, you let a little trickle of energy go back to them. Okay, this I'll make you practice. Okay, we'll do an energy pull exercise. I'll make you practice this. Little trickle of energy going back to them. If somebody owes you money, this is a way to get it from them. Pull energy from them, then a little trickle back to them until you drive them crazy. It is much easier than sending out bills because they literally will not be able to get you off their mind unless they pay you. So this is another trick you can use. If somebody owes you money, instead of calling them, threatening them, begging them, pushing, you're pushing, no? What are they doing? If they are not giving you money, they are, which one are they being? They are being
Barriers.
Yeah, the barrier, they are doing this, no? Barrier is up. So instead of going and fighting with them, you pull massively, pull lots of energy through them, pull lots of energy through them. What will happen is your thought will come in their mind again and again, and then they will pay your money back. This has happened with me. It happened to a lot of people. Somebody who was fighting a land case in the court, I gave them this tool. I said, use this. He has to return your land. He's fighting you. Don't fight him. Take a step back and pull his energy, pull the energy of the land is what I said. So as he kept pulling the energy of the land, within 2 weeks, the case got resolved. His property came back to him. He got his land. Okay.
So we have to put energy of land or energy of the other person with whom he's fighting? Both.
Actually, in that case, because he had a lot of charge around the person, he could not be neutral about the person. He had a lot of charge. So I said, forget the person. Just pull the land's energy. Don't even pull the person's energy because he was having a lot of issues with the person. So every time you think about the person, he would go into his own anger and temper issues and all of this. So I said, forget the person. Pull the land energy. Pull the property's energy. It will come to you. And it came. Okay. So that is about barriers.
One more question. If I have chose to buy a cycle, so I can pull cycle energy also.
Yeah. Yeah, play with it and share with me what happens.
Sure.
Okay. So what about suckers? The problem with a sucker is this is the friend who you go to their house, and when you leave, you are exhausted and you wonder why you got there. The reason you go there is that they suck harder than you. What you have to do is you have to flow so much energy to them before you go there. Jaane ke pehle. Okay. A tsunami of energy. Keep it flowing. Keep flowing at it. Never reverse the flow. If, however much you flow, it is never enough, then increase the amount of energy you are flowing. Flow massive amounts of energy to them until they stop sucking and your heart area opens up and warms up. Create a flow between the two of you. Okay, about reversing the flow. Today I will demonstrate, I'll teach you about reversing the flow also. So first you pull, 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 and then you reverse it also, means you flow out also. That's an energy pull you're going to practice. But in this case, if somebody is sucking, you push, 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 and then allow small trickle of energy to come back to you. Okay. Then what do you do with pushers? Pushers, pull energy from them until your heart opens up and feels warm. Then push energy to them. So you pull, 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 and then little bit flow it back to them. Pushers are people who flow massive amounts of energy at you to break down barriers so they can get to you to do what they want you to do. Like salesmen, when they come at you, you just want to kill them. When you see them coming, start pulling through every pore of your body and your being. They will either fall down flat on their face, this is just joking, okay, literally, or they will tell you why their product. They always look very shocked when it comes out of that comes out of their mouth. When you go to buy a car, if you pull massive amounts from the person, they always tell you what's wrong with the car. Okay, you can do all 4 flows at the same time with all the people in the room. Recognize you know how to do this, and just say, I'm going to do whatever energy flow each and every person needs here until they are all connected to me. Okay, so suppose you are going to give a speech, you are in a conference, suppose you are addressing a lot of people. Some people are going to be barriers in the audience, and some people are going to, they want to speak next or whatever, they are going to be pushy, and some people they're laid back. So you want to pull to those who require, push from those who require. So just automate it. Just give a command to your body that, hey body, let's pull and push accordingly based on whichever energy whoever requires. I would like it to, flow through, and automatically those energy flows will get established. Okay, you don't have to think too much. Don't think too much about it. When you start practicing a little bit, it will get automated. Okay.
So this is a way. I mean, can I ask a question here?
Yeah.
This is very related to me. This is where I get into trap many times. So in the sometimes speak, it make you stressful or pressurized. Then I do that thing first, even though it is not in my priority. I'll do that first, and then sometimes if they leave it, fine. Sometimes it will go on. It happens with family member or people around me in office or anywhere.
What is your question? Sorry, we lost out on your question because our audio got a little digitized.
Okay, so when they stress me more, somehow I do that. I do the task what they are wishing to do, though I'm not. I mean, I'm not supposed to do, or though I don't want to do that.
Yeah, because are you being neutral and are they pushing energy at you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you can do in such a time, you lower your barriers and let their energy flow through you. Pull energy through your body and out.
Okay.
Okay. So you cannot be vested in the outcome of this or anything with access, or it will not work. You cannot be vested in turning it out the way you want it, or it will not work. You have to allow it to be the way it is and just play with it. So we are doing this from a playful approach. We're not doing this to control people. We're not doing this to take choice out of people's universe. They will still have choice whether to come to your house or not. They will still have choice whether to return your money or not. But you are just accelerating things to work in your favor. You're just accelerating. That's what you're doing. Okay. So are you guys ready to experience that one energy pull right now?
One question just before we start.
Yeah.
Just in case, sometimes if energy feels stuck in your energy field, how do you deal with it?
So energy is feeling stuck. So you can say everything that does not allow this to flow, I destroy and uncreate, and you run the clearing statement. Right and wrong, good and bad, con, for, lens shots, boys and girls. And where notice, is it stuck right now?
No, but sometimes I do.
What you do, you notice where it is stuck and flow. So pull the energy. So you do this exercise. What you're going to do now, I'm going to make you guys do 2 different energy pulls. Okay. So do this, the first one, what we're going to do, and this will clear out all the energy blocks. Okay.
So I have one question. Can I ask?
Yeah.
So the question is that like I'm a healer and one of my client is facing COVID and he's in the hospital. So every time he writes to me, he says, please help karo, meri kuch help karo. So I start doing more of his healings. So when you were just discussing and explaining, so I saw that he's pushing energy on me. But
No,
by
he's sucking. He's not pushing. He's sucking. He's saying, please help karo, please help karo. He's draining you of your energy, no? He's pulling, no? He's sucking,
okay,
no? So what you
but
can do here is you just allow tons of tsunamis of energy to flow from you to him.
okay,
Okay?
okay, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So, okay, for this exercise, if it is possible, I'd request everybody to actually stand on your feet. Can you stand up? Okay, you can practice this energy pull every day. I highly recommend. This is one very, very powerful, amazing thing. Doing this will improve your immunity, especially now during Corona time. You want to have a strong immune system. This is called thymus exercise. Okay, what this does, growing up, we had one gland called the thymus gland. This is a thyroid gland. Over here in the above the heart, we have a gland called thymus gland. This is the Anahata chakra or heart chakra. And this is also, this used to be the center of intuition until it shifted to the third eye chakra, pineal gland. Thymus gland is also responsible for the immune system. Okay. So, and doing this will improve your intuition. Doing this will boost your energy levels, and doing this while jogging, doing this while doing an exercise can burn double the amounts of calories. Okay. So now what I want you to do is, basically I'll explain to you in a very simple way first. Okay, watch the screen. I'll explain to you what we're going to do, and then I'll make you guys do it. Okay. So what we're going to do is, see, we are standing like this, right? 1 second. So this is you. This is your body. Okay. And this is your feet. Okay. And right, for this particular exercise right now, initially I'm going to ask you to keep your arms, wait, wait. I'm going to ask you to keep your arms like this. Okay. Okay, you're going to keep your hands up like this. See, like this. Okay. Like a tree, so to speak. Like these are the branches of the tree. This is the root of the tree. This is the trunk of the tree. Now we are going to do 4 energy pulls. How we are going to do these 4 energy pulls? The first energy pull in the direction is going to be like this. Okay, how it's going to flow? We are going to pull from the earth. You're pulling from the earth through your body, through your crown, and into the universe. Okay, this is going to be the first energy pull. We are going to do this soon. I will instruct you. That time you can try it out. Now just watch the screen. Second energy pull, we are going to pull from the sky, from the universe, through your body, through your feet, into the earth. This is the second energy pull. Right. Now where is your thymus gland? See, your thymus gland is here. Okay. So this is your thymus gland right here. So this, your thymus gland is here. So this is passing through your thymus gland like this. This is also passing through your thymus gland like this. Now the next energy pull is going from the hand, from this hand. How it's going to come? We're going to pull from the universe like this through the thymus gland to the opposite direction, opposite part of the body, and through the opposite leg down into the earth. And again from the universe through this hand, through the thymus gland to the opposite part of the body, and down. Okay, and down through the opposite leg into the earth. Is this clear? It's like an X. Like an X. If my hand is like this, I pull energy from my right hand. It is passing my thymus gland, going to the left side, and from the left foot, it will go down into the earth. I pull energy from the universe through my left hand. It is passing my thymus gland, going to the right side, to the right foot. It is going into the earth. Okay. Does anybody have any questions of this? Is everybody clear on this? You can have a look at the screen. Okay. Is it clear? Are we all good? If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, and now we're going to start the thymus activation, and then in the last step, you have to run all the 4 energy pulls simultaneously. Okay, just follow my direction, and then you will understand. It's very easy. Okay, close your eyes. Allow your being to expand, bigger than the body. Expand, 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 expand. And while your being is expanding, you are centered in the body. And notice that the center of your body is the thymus gland, and you are completely centered and you are focusing on the thymus gland. And now pull energy from your feet, pull energy from the earth. Okay, pulling this energy from the earth, pull it through the feet, through your legs, pull the energy through your trunk, through the body, through your head, up your spine. Energy is flowing from the earth, up the spine, across all the 7 chakras and all the meridians, flowing up through the crown chakra, the top of your head, and blasting it out into the universe. Okay. Now pull 10 times more. Pull more energy from the earth. Dynamically pull through your body, through your thymus gland, through your crown into the universe. Now pull energy from the universe, through your crown, through your heart, through your thymus gland, through your heart, through your body, through your entire body, through all the 7 chakras of your spine, meridians, every part of the body, going down through your feet, both the feet into the earth. Okay. Pull energy from the universe through your head. You're not breathing it in, you're pulling it in. Through your entire body, flowing immediately into the earth. Okay. Through the body. And now do both of these simultaneously. Simultaneously pull energy from the earth through the body and out into the universe. Simultaneously pull energy from the universe through the body, through the feet into the earth. Now both your hands are high up, both your hands are up. Your hands are up. Now pull energy from the universe through your right palm, flowing, crossing the thymus gland to the left side, going down through the left foot into the earth, and pulling energy from the universe through the left palm, crossing your heart, going to the right side, going down to the right foot and into the earth. Now both simultaneously pull energy through both hands, crossing your thymus gland into the earth through your body. Now all 4 simultaneously. Pulling energy from the earth through the body, through your heart, through your crown into the universe, from the universe through your body, through your heart, through your feet into the earth, through both the palms, crossing opposite side, going into the earth. Pull all 4 simultaneously. Ten times more. Pull all 4. 100 times more. Take a deep breath, lower your arms, open your eyes. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. You can sit down, again, relax comfortably, and you can share how was that for you?
Wasn't that easy?
Yeah, wasn't that easy?
No, because when I concentrated on the pull and push.
Were you trying to control it? Were you trying to control the flow?
Not exactly. I don't know.
Everywhere you're trying to control the flow, can you let that go?
Oh, that's
right, wrong, good, bad, pot, popcorn, and shots, boys and girls. You can't control the flow. That's why it's so difficult for you. That's why we are adding so many details so that you give up control. So you just surrender to the flow, and it just flows. Okay. It'll happen automatically. Don't worry. You have the recording. Vijay will send you recording. You hear the recording again. You try. Okay, you'll get it. Okay. Apart from that, did you feel anything in the body? Did you have any sensations, Rajeshwari?
It was good. I had to ask another question. Do I have to pull back from my feet again to the hands up?
Nothing. Just whatever I said. Just that much.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yes. Cross.
Okay. Yes. So anybody else wants to share? How was it for you?
I feeling the pain here.
Just
Feeling
continue.
the heaviness. Feeling the
Yes.
heaviness over here.
Okay.
And I have a constant pain in my left, क्या बोलते हैं, AD, left पैर के पीछे.
The heel or the ankle?
Heel.
Heel. Left heel?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you unwilling to continue to walk on the path that you have chosen? Everywhere you're unwilling to continue putting your next foot forward in the path that you have already chosen. Can you discern until all of that?
So I have to, that is the clearing statement that
I'm asking you right now. Everywhere
okay, you are asking me.
Everywhere you are unwilling to continue putting your best in the path that you have already chosen. Can you discern until all of that?
Okay. I'm not able to figure it out now.
That's the problem. You all are trying to cognitively get it. Just drop it. Access is beyond your cognitive mind. You won't get it. Jitna bhi aap try karoge logically to understand this stuff, you won't get it.
I know.
Yeah.
It has been there for a very long time.
So is that your justification to hold on to it?
No, not justified at all. But the pain is there. There is heaviness there, and it's here on the left side of the diaphragm.
I know, but I asked you if you're willing to let it go. You said it's there for a long time, which means you want to hold on to it. Cool, you can keep it.
No, I don't want to keep it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Everywhere you're unwilling to continue putting your best foot forward in the path that you've already chosen. Can you let go of all of that?
Yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD. I want to destroy an until and move ahead. It's difficult to walk, do the housework.
So the thing is, you have to first acknowledge what is. Before you try to jump ahead, you have to acknowledge what is going on. There's so much going on actually over there. There's so much more. Maybe in some other context, we'll explore those things. But right now, how was the energy pulse? Were you able to do the energy pulse?
Yes. Wonderful.
Okay.
I have one question, Dr. Sanjeev.
One second. Before you go to questions, I just want to hear how it was for you. Were you able to do it? Okay.
Yes, I could.
Were you able to do it?
Oh, sorry. Are you asking me?
Yeah. Were you able to do it?
I was able to do it, but lately, sometimes during the day, I get this heaviness in my head, and I used to never get it. And now, the minute I get it, I get aware of it, and then I put it in front of me, and I expand it, then it goes. But then suddenly it comes back. So what is this? I don't know.
Okay, is it yours?
No.
Did you buy it as yours?
Yes.
Everything that you did to buy it as yours, can you discern and get all of that?
Yes.
I don't know. I'm going to bat one for call 9 shots, boys and yours. Okay. Were you able to do the energy flows?
Yeah.
Okay. How was it for you?
Very nice. I enjoy these energy pulls and energy flows.
Amazing. So as you keep doing this, so Rajeshwari, were you able to see, was there any blocks this time? Energy blocks?
No.
No? Okay, so next time you perceive energy blocks, you can do this exercise. When you do this dynamically pulling through the body, it will clear out. Okay? Okay. Yes, Nagendra.
I felt it like initially started flowing, but in between it is getting discontinued. Like I see the breaks again. It's not connecting from hand to the leg. I sense energy in hands or legs, not in between.
Okay, so you're quite aware of exactly how it's flowing. It's a muscle to build, okay? So as you keep doing it, you will get better at it. It'll become very easy, okay? Just keep doing it.
Okay.
Okay, it
Okay.
becomes easy. You'll start seeing a lot of changes. See, basically, whenever you have a financial block, no, if money is stuck somewhere, there is a financial block somewhere, money is blocked somewhere, it is just reflecting an internal block. It's reflecting an internal energy block that you have. That if you clear your energy block, wherever your money is stuck, that will also start flowing to you.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay, whatever you're not willing to receive, suppose for somebody it's not that they're not receiving money. For somebody it's that they're not able to receive intimacy.
Okay.
They're not able to receive love, affection. So one of the chakras are blocked, one of the meridians are blocked. Wherever it is, doing this exercise regularly will clear it up, and they will suddenly start receiving more intimacy. Suddenly
Okay.
they'll feel as if, oh my God, people around me are actually loving me. Actually, they're appreciating me. No, they were already appreciating. You're not receiving it. Now you're able to receive it.
Okay.
Your receiving opens up. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So Harmeet, how was it for you? Were you able to do the energy pulse?
Yes, I was able to do it, and it was very easy. But after it was complete, my face was very, very warm. My eyes
Yeah.
were warm.
That happens. The face gets warm because there's a lot of energy flowing. It does happen.
Yeah. Otherwise, it was good.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Rajiv? Were you able to do it?
Very easy to do. But when and it took energy from my hands, I used to cross the energy through my thymus, I didn't feel energy at my thymus. Like, yeah, when it went down to my legs and feet, at time I felt in my hands and feet. But when they crossed the thymus, I didn't felt at that time.
That's okay. That's okay.
But I know they have crossed. I had that intuition they have crossed.
Okay. Okay. Doesn't matter. You're playing with it. Okay.
Yeah. I just want to ask one more question.
Yeah.
When the TV news channel are like working and all news coming and they're sucking your energy. We have to.
They're pushing energy at you.
They're pushing the energy. They're pushing the energy. I think
they're pushing at you. No. So notice. See, you'll understand if you're feeling drained after watching the news, that means it is sucking your energy. If you're feeling agitated, palpitated, that means it is pushing energy at you.
मतलब क्या बोला वापस बोलिए आपने sucking the energy, then you have to pull them. Okay. They are making you exhausted.
You are feeling exhausted, correct? You are feeling exhausted in the sense you are feeling drained out or you are feeling agitated.
Means that what that means?
Agitated means you are feeling fearful or nervous, anxious.
Okay.
What does your body feel? Your body basically, is it a high energy state or low energy state?
Okay.
What is it? I'm asking you a question. After watching the news, your body feels high energy state or low energy state?
Yesterday I felt low. That's why I was asking. Yesterday I felt low.
If you are feeling low energy, you pull from the universe through you and flow it out into the news channel.
Okay, I have to push towards them.
Yeah, if you're feeling low energy. If you are feeling high energy, that means they're pushing at you, no?
They are pushing at me, then I have to pull more.
Yeah, perfect.
If I feel low, if I feel low, that means they are.
See, basically, very simple. Okay, this is your body. This is your body. Okay, so this is you. This is an approximation of you. Okay, highly approximate you. This is you. Now there are two states of being. Now, if you are feeling a very low energy state, or if you're feeling a high energy state, when do you feel low energy state? You feel low energy state when they're pulling, when somebody's sucking your energy. Isn't that when you feel low energy?
Yeah.
So when they are sucking your energy,
push more.
You will pull from the universe and flow tsunami of energy at whoever is sucking your energy. Correct?
Means pushing energy towards them.
Correct. Now, if you are feeling high energy state, that means what? They are sucking your energy. Or they are correct. So they are pushing at you.
They are pushing. So to pull more. We have to pull towards them more.
Exactly. So when you are feeling high energy state, or you feel like they are pushing energy at you, you start pulling. Okay.
Done. Yesterday, first time I was like the Sushant ka jo aaya usse I felt thoda low.
Yeah.
So if I had this tool, I would have pull more energy.
Yeah. Okay. Just play with it. Just ask whichever energy, as you're playing with the energy, whichever makes you feel more expansive. No, do that. Don't try to get very
Okay.
logical with this. Okay.
Yeah, true.
Okay. So are you guys ready for the next energy pull that we're going to do? Finally, we were doing energy pull for business and money, the topic of the day. Okay. So, okay. So this one you can do while sitting. Okay. Just close your eyes, connect your body, connect your breath. Get centered in your body. Allow your being to expand. Notice the outer edges of your being and ask yourself, truth, am I as big as this body or am I bigger than the body? And watch your being expand. Now ask, truth, am I as big as this room or am I bigger than my whole building? And watch yourself expand. Ask yourself, truth, am I as big as this building or am I bigger than my whole city? Watch yourself expand and become bigger and bigger. Expand your being. And truth, am I as big as the city or am I bigger than my whole state? Am I as big as my state or am I bigger than my whole country? Am I as big as my country or am I bigger than my whole planet? Anything and everything does not allow you to expand bigger than your country, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, all night, shorts, boys and beyonds. And now, even as you are aware of becoming and expanding bigger than planet Earth, ask yourself, truth, am I as big as this planet? Or am I bigger than the whole solar system? Dynamically expand your space, expand. And now ask yourself, am I as big as the solar system or am I bigger than the whole Milky Way galaxy? Wherever you see, there you are. Know that you are the space between the molecules of this galaxy. You are the space between the molecules of this universe. And just ask yourself, am I as big as this galaxy? Am I bigger than this whole universe? And watch yourself, watch your being expand, become bigger and bigger and bigger, expanding into the outer edges of the whole universe. Any and all forms of separation between you and the universe destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, and shorts, boys and girls. Now, even as you are present with the entire universe, while still being centered in your physical body, imagine an energy ball. Imagine a ball of light in front of your heart. This ball of light is the energy of your business. It is the energy of your financial situation. This is the energy of your life. In this ball of life, what elements would you like to add? Would you like to add elements of fun? Would you like to have elements of money? Would you like to have more abundance? Would you like to have more ease? Would you like to have more joy? Would you like to have perhaps more travel? Would you like to perhaps have more adventure? Would you like to have more space? Whatever it is, ask for those elements to show up in this energy ball that is in front of your heart. Now, from the outer edges of the universe, pull into this ball of light. Pull in the energy from above through your body into this ball. Pull in the energy from the back through your body into this ball. And watch this ball growing bigger and bigger in size, and pull energy from the earth into this ball while you say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And pull energy from the sides, flow it into the energy ball, and you say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of business comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of money, luxury, abundance, wealth, and cash comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And you pull energy from the front into the energy ball, from the back through your body into the energy ball, from all corners of the universe. Pull from all the people who are willing to contribute to your business. Pull from all the clients that can now show up for you and your business. Pull the energy dynamically of anyone and everyone, your team, your clients, your targets, your future. Pull from the future. Be the space of creation. Allow your energy ball to expand, becoming bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. Okay. Now, flow out trickles of energy from the energy ball back into all the people who are waiting to contribute to you. Flow out the energy from the ball into all the people, clients, team members, everybody, family members who are all waiting to contribute to the creation of your life. And when you're done, you can open your eyes. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, how was that? How are you?
Very good. I feel like I've had a long nap and I feel fresh.
Awesome.
But
Thank
this
you.
heaviness in my head keeps coming back. You know, yeah.
Okay. Do one thing. Just close your eyes. Invite it to come. Where is it in your body?
In my head.
Head? Okay. Where does it want to go? Does it want to go downwards or does it want to go upwards?
Down.
Okay. So pull that heaviness through your body, through your feet, and let it flow into the earth. And just contribute to the earth and just say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now pull tons and tons of energy from the universe through your crown, through your body, flow it through the body, through your feet into the earth. Like a waterfalls. Just imagine there's a waterfall. This waterfall is falling on your head. This waterfalls of energy is flowing through you and you become the waterfall. You are the waterfall connecting the sky to the earth. And that heaviness is flowing through you into the earth. Okay. Whenever you're done, you can open your eyes. Okay. How's your head?
It went. It's gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Okay. Yes. So how are you doing, Sadhna?
Manipur was great.
Awesome.
I did the one with Chandni also because of this.
Yeah, back pain.
No, not the back pain. The left side, the diaphragm. You know, I have it regularly. So I was seeing one body whispering video on YouTube.
Wait. One second. Just stop there. Which side of the diaphragm? Right or left?
Left.
Okay. What kind of pain? Is it a pricking pain, stabbing pain?
No. It's just a block. It's like gastric. If I drink water, I burp. But
okay.
Every day it's there. It remains till I go to sleep. And when I go to sleep, it's not there. I mean, I get up in the morning, it's not there.
Okay.
It happens only after.
And now you did this particular exercise?
Yeah, I did it, but it not much. Just maybe 1%.
So there is some work that's required to be done. Maybe you can take it up in a one-to-one session, or maybe sometime in future you can clear up something for you. Yeah. But were you able to do this energy pulls for money?
Yes. I'm used to it. I do it.
Awesome.
I did it 1 hour before the session.
Okay, lovely. But was this any different?
No, the same.
So
pull from here, there.
Basically, I didn't teach you anything new. Did I waste your time?
No, not at all. So much contribution. Awesome.
Okay, I'm glad it contributed.
Gratitude.
Yes, Rajeshwari, how was it? Were you able to do it?
Yeah, actually I was able to do it, but I don't know, suddenly just my phone disconnected.
That's okay. So you were able to do it, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's fine. So I don't know how it ended.
Super. No, in the end, what we did in the end, you can listen to the recording. I think listening to the recording will help you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So definitely do listen to the recording. What we did is we flow out the energy in the end.
Mm-hmm.
So we pull till
The
which part you
universe.
heard? You heard till when you're pulling, right? Imagine a
Yeah.
white ball and you pull.
Yes.
Correct? In the end, what you do, you flow out from the white ball or from the energy ball, you flow outwards to all the people.
Okay.
That's all.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes, Nagendra, you're able to do this?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
To better, I mean, I feel very much ease in the beginning. I could, when you say expand, I was able to imagine very clearly. I used to struggle when I do earlier, and suddenly I got MIB movie into picture. They keep universe into the keychain and then they swallow it.
Awesome.
Like, but at the end, when you say the ball is becoming bigger in my imagination, when you say distribute to the people, all of a sudden here I'm getting pain and then some resistance. There is some doubt: do I get this energy
So
back or not?
Do you think that the ball gets diluted or something gets destroyed if you dissipate it to people?
There
You
is
don't
some
have to dissipate it, okay? So what happens is, what actually happens is, this is you, okay? This is an approximation of you. Okay, so if this is you and if this is the energy ball that is there in front of you, all right? This is the energy ball. So what you did, you are pulling, no? You're pulling from above through you into the energy ball. You're pulling from behind through you into the energy ball. You're pulling from the earth through you into the energy ball. And you're pulling from the front, right? You're pulling in all directions. And now what will happen is you might perceive this ball is becoming bigger. You might perceive it becoming bigger, right?
True. Right.
Now what you do after this is you send outwards trickles of energy. You're not dissipating the whole ball. You're just, you have pulled. You have suppose there are people in your life from whom you have pulled energy through these people, right?
Yeah.
So while doing the energy ball exercise, so there was someone you pull their energy, there was another person you pull their energy, there's another person you pull their energy, there's another person you pull their energy, right? Now when you've been pulling through them, in the end what you do, in the end you are also sending them a trickle of energy back at them. This will, what it will create, it'll create a sort of a, it kind of creates a sort of a connection once again. So from this you're allowing little bit, not so much also, you're just allowing a small trickle of energy to flow back at them, so that there is a connection that is there. You get it?
Yeah. But one thing, I mean, this maybe goes with the practice, but when I'm sending it, my pulling getting stopped. No, my imagination is getting stopped, the pulling. When I'm sending it, when I'm pulling it, sending is blocking.
I get you. So everywhere you believe that when you start, flowing energy to people, your receiving will stop. Can you differentiate all of that?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, for online shop business. What if you start receiving 20 times more? What if when you start flowing at them, you can start receiving 20 times more from the back of you? Remember the money workbook, that taxi driver exercise, what we did?
Yes.
That's what we do. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So today we spoke about, energy pulling. We spoke about the four kinds of people: the pullers, the suckers, the barriers, and the neutrals. What to do in each case. When there are barriers, you pull. Then there are pushers, you pull. And there are suckers, you flow. And the neutrals also, you flow. Okay. And we did the thymus exercise. And we did this, Rajiv was asking this question. So this one, and we did the last energy ball exercise. So thank you, everybody. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope this was a great experience for you. I highly recommend doing the thymus exercise every single day in the morning, and end your day with the last.
My question is still left.
Yeah. What's your question?
Thymus exercise during the gym workout or before workout?
So when you're in the gym, just ask for it to run. So every time you don't have to raise your hands. First time you raise your hand and you practice. Second time onwards, just ask for it to run. It will automatically start running.
What do we have to ask? Thyma exercise done. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's it. That's it.
It's written in the Bars book, no?
Yeah.
Written in the Bars book.
It's there in your bars manual.
How long do we do this for?
Actually, it's very short. Actually, all energy pulls, each
Yeah.
of them are not more than 3 to 4 minutes.
Yeah.
They're all very quick.
One more question. Like
Yeah.
you told first time you do the whole Thyma exercise, what you taught today. What is that first time? Means what is that first
Meaning
time?
now, see, when I asked you to do, I asked you to raise your hands and all that. No,
Yeah.
when you're running in the treadmill, you don't want to run like this.
Okay.
You don't have to. You just ask for it to run, and then it runs like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you, everybody. If you